Na to?
May walls naman dyan.
Brawling pa rin sila, Arzen.
This.
Guys,
Fight? You want to fight this? This is a suicide.
Yeah. Wag mo. No, this is not suicide. Go. Arzen, call mo.
Putang ina, ba't ako magkukol? Wait, I'll fake.
Okay, sige.
Just fake. They're walking in. You engage with the hammer, east 5, on the 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the 3, boys, on the 3. Give me inside.
Lagi, putang hindi ako nakapag-defensive.
Sige lang. Ba't ka namatay? Wait, just spread.
Piniklik ko ako.
Ay, titignan ko kung may rigger ako dito. Alam ko meron eh.
Just spread, boys. Just spread and heal.
Lost
10
one.
seconds. Yeah, it's okay. Everybody, 10 seconds. Pull down DPS. Everybody middle, east 5. Wait, it is on the 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Micron, boys. Micron.
Bago na bump.
And spread ulit. Spread. Huwag kayo mag-clump, guys. Hello. Stop clumping. Just roll the outside. Don't roll the inside. Just roll the outside. Don't roll the inside. Just roll. Kite a bit. We're getting low. Kite a bit.
Go.
Just heal. Keep healing. Patay si Tokayo.
Nagiring na ako.
Terina.
Just kite to Terry slowly. Nagka-clamp kayo. Wait. Kill to full. May defense pa ba dyan? Kill to full.
Wala. Back
Got
na
a
lang
healer?
dyan.
Healer?
Back na.
Just get back. Kite to Terry.
Back agad.
Back. Just kite first. And hold. Now you hold.
Stabilize mo na.
Just stabilize.
Stabilize.
Just hold here.
No DPS. 3 DPS.
I can catch in 2 and 1.
Bro, we
Catch
have...
the guy in the back. Catch him. Right.
Bro,
There's nobody helping him.
we literally have...
Uy, going na sila.
Kill him.
Come nuts. Just spread.
Just spread. Ba't
Just spread. Don't clump up, boys. When you're brawling, just roll the outside.
Wait, Zen, for backup, Zen. Hello? Ba't ka
Yeah.
lumabas?
Wait for
Just hold.
Riggers.
Tank ako. Hello? Just hold.
Kung sama kasi sa yung party, yun yung word ko. Invite si Ryan, no?
They're looking.
Party 1 full.
Uy, bilisan nyo mag-rigger.
Fast
They're
Rigger.
looking.
On the way na. On the way na ako.
And they're gonna wait.
Tang ilang Tokayo. Nakabedrock ka, Tokayo.
Rahat ka na si Tumahayo, gag.
Boy na ako.
Diyan pa sila.
Yep.
Kasi dito sila. Nakunin yung core.
Akala ko ba rin glaive yan, Ryan?
Yung healer, huy, pwede dyan sa yung healer sa harapan. Uy,
Mga bola kayo, namatay ako nung una.
Come northwest.
Just go on the terrace.
dito.
On the terrace. Let them think that
Dito sila, oh.
we
Kapalibot.
wait for Riggers.
Putang ina, isa nagagather. Where's the save? Where's Kechiro? Where's Liam? Where's Mayan? JD?
On the way.
Pabalik na ako, wait lang.
Leave na ako. Kaurma yung nangyari sa akin. Hindi mo lang
Bye.
nakapag-defense.
Just nandiyan ka ba, Just?
Battle mount. Karitan.
Oh, hindi pa siya.
You wanna fight this one more or na?
Fight.
Hindi rin natin madidipo yan kung ano.
Hindi na
Wait
natin
natin
yung
mga
manitip
bulok
kayo.
ng host nila. Pwede naman natin. Bulukan natin yung host. No, we wait for Kwan. Wala pa tayong dito sa
Waiting na ako. Just hold northwest of the crown.
Si Tokayo naka-bedrock. Bedrock na T4, gago. Tokayo, pakin ka na ng gears mo. Ayun, nag-online na yung isang Tokayo. Keep ko na lang to sa party.
Dadalhin mga plato. Nandyan. Ay, sa gilid. Binabantay nila ito para di natin masalpa.
May time ba yung ano, yung core? Nawawala ba yan?
Hindi, basta nahawakan.
Hindi,
yun.
basta nakakahawa.
We're just going to wait. We need more. Tokayo, Christian, Mr. JD.
Stepen ako, naka-inbi lang.
Excuse me?
Just hold.
Middle of Libby na ako.
Ganda ng skin mo, Kulyonis, oh.
They're looking.
Kamas. Kite a bit. Come West, kite a bit. Kite and spread.
Wala pa tayong DPS.
Kite and spread.
Magkikip
Oh, kite and spread.
Pinapasok na kayo sa Terry.
Hindi.
Just hold.
Sana yung tatlo.
Deceive Tokayo, Mr. JD. Deceive, kasama ka pa ba?
Shallow. Hold.
Entering
DPS.
spread.
Asan DPS mo?
Wala ka pang DPS. Yan pa lang yung DPS mo.
Oh, kite tayo. Kite northwest.
Kite lang, kite.
Tangina, magagang pa ata ako, hayop.
Pinag-hindi?
6 na yung DPS mo.
Nayo-hold. Shallow, on this bear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on this 2. Kasi come go na. Kite agad. Just hold. Kite and hold. Hold. Nayo-hold. Dash tank sa front? Can my dash tank get heal? Just hold.
I can clamp.
I'll fake I'll try to fake. Just hold.
Sabi naka 7-3 si Kuya Moel. Hanap.
Just
Yun na,
hold.
bilisan nyo.
Okay,
Hihirap ko naman
go back
ako yan,
northwest.
Kuya Moel.
Go northwest. Kite.
Kite northwest.
Ba't ka namatay? Na-DC ka ba?
Gagi.
Wait.
Sayang.
Ano namatay?
Sayang yung 7-3.
Everybody east. Oh, yo. Stay behind the
Ingat
crowd.
kayo dun sa Aba Pistas Great. Tapos tatalunan kayo ng dalawang yun.
DPS.
Hello, clear comms! Huwag kayo magulo! Sakit ng ulo ko. Hello. Spread. Give me heal sa front. Shallow west 5 on the wall 4 3 2 1 on this spike. Then go north and kite. Just tank hold them. Go north and kite. Just hold. Kite a bit and spread. Just hold. Now you hold. Stay behind the crown. May
Hold on.
engage ka?
Meron.
Sige lang.
Step up.
East. Yung east.
Look at the shield. After that. Grabe.
Mouse balls don't get too deep They might bowl you to death. Just hold.
Pinupul na lang nila tayo eh.
Yeah.
Nasira yung...
Leash na yan, oy. Wag niya.
Binibig tayo siguro.
Wait lang tayo sa HO. Nandito yung chok eh.
Just when they're brawling, just spread. Then kite.
Naka-gadger si Mouse Balls.
Sino?
Si Masma.
Mouse balls? Asan siya? Where?
Beta gamer natin.
That's a
Australian version.
Engage on the crown. Beside the tree.
Come northwest, kite. Kite northwest. Don't get out, bro. Give me guardian armors inside. Give me guardian armors inside. Kite a bit. Where kite come? 7 seconds, please. 7 seconds. Hold. Everybody inside. Hold. Inside my crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 inside. On this step na. Wala tayong mapatay. Come north.
Kinadami na sa ating clamp tank, boys.
Come north. Just tanks hold them and spread. Just spread, boys. Spread. Give me heals on the east. And spread. Spread, boys. Give me heals on the east. Cleanses. 10 seconds. You engage with the hammer northeast. 5, Hold. 4, 3 on the shield. 2, wala. Everybody inside. Everybody east. Micron. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside, boys. Inside.
Oh, nice one.
And spread again. Spread. Not over. Just spread. Kahit a bit northwest. And spread. Stop clamping up, boys. Just spread. City tide.
At healer dito.
Come northwest. Kahit northwest.
Nice
Guys,
one.
you guys are...
Healer, one.
Patay. Healer down. Patay na namin isa.
East, comes out. Walks out. Look, east, tip 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, east, tip, boys. East, tip. Tip is a little bit late. Then,
Another healer down.
No healer.
okay, kill what you can, running.
Ang ina nyo ha.
3 healers down agad.
Buhay Papa Zone.
Gold core.
Ay, may alliance tayo.
Reloaded ako.
Gold core. Who has the gold core?
Doon sa atin.
Apollo.
Go. Come the gold core. Come to the gold core.
Ito, bulin nyo to.
Hey,
Gold core.
Ay, naging beast.
Dito, on me.
Naging beast. Katawa.
on the way ako, Circus.
Lagi makakatwata. Diwata, adahin mo na.
Somebody got wait lang, let me check out. What's your weapon? What was your weapon,
Huwag nyo muna yung lagay. May
8.1
pinapatay ko
na
dito, please.
Tulong. May running dito isa.
Andyan na ako, Circus.
Di ba nakita nila yan?
Dito, unping. Tayin nyo yan.
Wala, magro-roads na yan. Road.
Ako nag-rob na.
Hindi, mahirap to mag-roll.
Tayin ng...
City na smite. Patay.
Uy, antayin nyo kami sa gold core.
Dito,
Nice.
Hindi, makalabas.
Nag-ulit ko sa iyo.
Ayun.
Dalawang killer po ako tayo ang puta.
Good job kung sino yung kasama ko nag-brawl sa healer.
Ganyan no, tangin yan.
Ganshin, ba't mo kinuha ang agro nun?
Kinuha mo pa, bro.
Drop
Nice.
yellow.